I am summoning one new ink figure for every new subscriber, but things are scaling out of control. We start with a cat-eared isopod trying to blend in with this tiny cat in a hat. However, this bird's third eye sees it all. This peacock stared into it for too long and unlocked existential anxiety, while this goose ended up in a neck brace. This old man is smoking his last few years away, haunted by this dark ghost, seemingly fleeing this magma slime. This Spinosaurus is completely flabbergasted that this dragon is able to fly. A knight approaches to slay the beast, but he wields a mop and a bucket hat. I think this sentient sword-wielding a human stands a better chance, but it is clearly no match for this spear-wielding giant. This cupcake with questionable ingredients is worshipped by a torch-wielding sapling. And here we have a dragon enjoying its day off. Subscribe to give me the mana to summon new ink figures. Comment your suggestions if you dare.